Welcome to Girls World! Hi everyone, I received this package from ColorfulDiy. I want to say thank you to Luna and Lynn for sending me this Mosaic DIY 3D LED night light lamp. So in the box we have the rhinestones. It has the diamond painting tools, the 3D object wherein this is where you're gonna put the rhinestones. I choose the design I Love You. And this is the stand wherein either you choose a battery generated. It needs 3 AA, doesn't include in the package. Then if you want, you can also use the USB cable to plug into the power socket. Now let's start putting in the rhinestone. First is the number 5. As you can see, there are like 6 pieces of red hearts, big red hearts. So I technically just use my fingers and put them on the number 5 label. So this is how it looks like when it's finished. Now let's proceed to the number 4. It's exactly the same thing as the red hearts, but this one is in the color silver or white. Number 4 completed. This is how it looks like. Now let's proceed to the smaller rhinestones. Let's start with the number 1. So technically, if it's so small, I cannot use my fingers, so I need to put them on the tray and start with it. Use the pen and stick some glue. Use the pen to get some rhinestone and stick it to the number 1. Okay, number 1 is completed, and then you can just proceed with the next one. Number 2, you can do exact same step as the number 1. Just put everything on the tray and put the rhinestone on the specific number. Number 2 is finished, and the last one, number 3, just do exact same step as before. Now this is the final look after I put all the rhinestones. It looks so cute. Now let's try to put it on the stand. Give it a long press to turn it on. It has different modes. Sometimes you can do the slow mode, or what I love the most is the fast one. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, and let me know if ever you've tried any of the DIY craft from this brand or any diamond painting, and what do you think of it. Until next time, Bye!